Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gracie.
My name is Maggie.
And today we're going to show you a slime hack. So we're using only basically one main ingredient is water. First we'll be putting water, and then we'll have our food coloring. And then we'll stir it all together with the end of the spoon.
Plastic.
We have these containers.
And
we'll have these containers right here. And then you'll have glue sticks. Then shaving cream. We're using gel, but and then we'll have the contact solution. I don't know if you can see that. And then we'll have some
baking
soda. We're using Arm & Hammer. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to add
water. You have to cover up the bottom.
I did my whole bottle. We're using these small things, but it's different if you have one of those. It's different if you have one of those big bottles because you will not need to put that much. Okay. Next we'll be putting our food coloring in. I got blue and she has green. Okay.
You need to make sure you get all of it off of where you put your lid back on. Then you'll stir it really good.
We have this kind of food color. We don't have the powder or liquid. Okay. Now you're all what you do.
Try not to get water anywhere. If so, it's okay. Just try not to.
Okay, just stir this.
And if you have like these little black things when you got your green in there,
or whatever kind of food coloring you use,
yeah,
you just need to make sure that's all combined into your water.
See, I try to find mine and smash it down a little bit.
Okay, whenever this is...
You probably need to stir it about 4 almost.
Okay, so this is what... You can't really see it, but it's like a blue, dark blue.
And this is what mine looks like. You can probably see it at the bottom as a green.
But if you do this for a little bit, switch it around, you can get some of that leftover coloring to dissolve. Okay, next we're going to be adding our
glue sticks.
You'll need like a knife or something. Okay, so all you're gonna do is just like cut it like this. See how it's at?